Welcome to the intermediate level of our quantum computing series. In the basic level, we use drag and drop tools. Today, we step into the real world of developers by using Python and Qiskit.
Qiskit is an open-source software development kit that lets you build quantum circuits in Python, visualize them, and execute algorithms on real quantum hardware.
First, make sure Python is installed on your system. Open a terminal or command prompt and type pip install Qiskit, then press enter.
Once installed, writing code is straightforward. You import Qiskit and then create a quantum circuit. For example, QC equals quantum circuit 2 creates a circuit with 2 qubits and 2 classical bits.
Instead of dragging a block on a screen, you write a command. If you want to put the first qubit into superposition, you type qc.h0, which applies the Hadamard gate. If you want to entangle it with the second qubit, you add qc.cx0, 1, which is the CNOT gate.
Just a couple of lines of text. And you've built a powerful quantum operation that would take massive classical logic to compute.
To recap, Qiskit allows us to use Python to build quantum circuits programmatically, giving us total control over qubits and gates. In our next video, Part 2, we'll dive deeper into writing code specifically for the Hadamard gate to master superposition through code.
Don't worry if you aren't an expert Python programmer yet. You only need to know basic Python syntax like variables and functions to get started with Qiskit.